Hello, good morning. Our project topic is OEE percentage increase of a lubricant oil packaging line. As an introduction, we have that the company is located in the south of Guayaquil, and its main product is lubricant oil for the automotive sector. As a general process, we have the supply of raw material, the process of mixing, filling, packaging, and dispatch.
This focus project statement is based on historical data and the new oil company. The 1 liter lines has increased stop time of up to 5.3 hours, where normally the average stop times is 2.8 hours due to line occupancy during the morning shifts at the plant in southern Guayaquil in April 2022. The repository variable is OEE, quality for performance and ability. Here you can see the model in flexing where the packing lines, the warehouses, and the store tanks. We're placing, like what you can see, the level of process of the machine that is the 71.727%. We fill the start of the lady which feeds into the start tanks. These tanks distribute to 3 tips of the packing lines that we have. But the one that is given the most is the 1 liter line. That comes as battery, which leaves the place to go to the bottle fountain. For the bottles are distributed to the 3 lines in a proportional way, and the packing process is carried out, and both with the bottle come out there will be and transported to the terminal product warehouse. That will be in of the model. This is verification Yoshiro running as pro.
For validation, we run the program 6 times, and these are the data for the mean and standard deviation. In order to the student t-test, we observe that the null hypothesis is not rejected, so the model is reliable. For the power test, we observe that according to the graph, we must repeat the model, but this time running 15 times. Once the runs have been made, we verify that the hypothesis is not rejected, so the model is reliable again.
Our proposed solutions, according to the root cause long repair times, are continuous monitoring, root cause analysis of machine damage, automate damage diagnosis, implement a productivity system for technicians, record damage data, new machines, application of 5S in repair tools, promote a culture of work communication, and professional advice regarding equipment repair. Next. Solution analysis, we have our impact effort matrix, choosing options 5 and 9 as our best solutions. Next. In our economic analysis, we have our 2 solutions, record damage data and 5S application and repair tools with a cost of $500 and $1,200. Next. Our implementation schedule, we have schedule implementation and other steps. In implementation plan, we have our solutions with 5 Ws. Next. And in our schedule implementation, we have a schedule with activities from the 15th of August to 29th of September. Next.
Step-by-step record damage to data. The step 1 is the verification of historical company. And data, the few historical repair data will be used to establish the parameters that the data we have. The step 2 is the gathering of the information during repair times. In the moments of the repair, the cause of the same, the duration times, who is the chair of the repair, and all information that happens at the time will be taken. And step 3 is the database development and analysis. The information obtained is carried on using different statistic techniques that only the prediction of future damage. The step-by-step 5S application repair tools. The step 1 is quantitation of the cost of the 5X methodology. The cost of implementing the methodology during the established time will be analysis to establish in scope and the activities to be carried out. Step 2, select the work group. A group of people will be selected to work on the project based on important criteria. The step 3, use of the 5S methodology. The 5S will be implemented as they are required in the 1 liter packing line. And step 4 is result measurement. The results after the 5S will be measured with indicators that provide the necessary information for analysis. And step 5, analysis of results. The result of the 5S will be analysis to contrast with the previous data that was high in verification and the efficiency of its use. This is the evidence for the practice. And the next test is the control, impact evaluation, and correction of control plan. Thank you very much.